Happy day 122, I think, of day trading. The stock market open with a small cash account. We don't really have a lot of stuff going on. About 55 seconds late to the open. There's a VWAP bounce for Lobo. Lobo again, huh? AUD. Trying to do something crazy. All right, we are, after 120 something days, we are now going to get ready to start to treat the hyper scalping strategy like a true hyper scalping strategy, which means not one trade, everybody knows the rules. Tested the theory for 120 plus days to see if you could hyper scalp in an extremely small cash account with only taking limited share size instead of the traditional hyper scalping, like taking 20, 50, 100, 200, 500 trades a day. And, I'll make a video about the results, but we're still in a small cash account. But we're going to start trying to just take more trades. So the one trade everyone knows the rules is done. Let's get back to some clean fundamentals, especially as we slowly start to, this might halt down AUD, especially as we start to slowly start funding our account today, or back to normal size. That's the plan. I'm sticking to it. Now, speaking of which, what are we going to do here with Lobo? Lobo, nice move yesterday. Gap up today. I appreciate all the comments I got yesterday. I got a lot of people chiming in the comment section. But I will say, y'all better be showing up on green days the same way you show up on red days in my comments. But it's all good. It's all in good fun. That's what the internet was built for, I'm pretty sure. Alright, we don't really have anything moving here. We're going to have to try to find an entry on Lobo. It's looking kind of thick up there, isn't it? Let's see if it kind of respects this little channel. Yeah, see, I mean, like days like this where it's like you can't. This is going to be tough even finding one trade to take, and then. So one trade, everyone knows the rules, is great for days like this, but I mean, how am I supposed to find like 10 trades in here? And all this chop. I know people are going to tell me, be patient, but I mean, we got nothing to trade today, which I guess means I shouldn't be trading today. Well, maybe we do a little song and dance while we wait. Possible halt down, AUD. Do we have any previous runners that's moving? Or anything? minutes to make a new high, but it's not really on front side. Halt down moving to 512 for AUD. Got goldfishes. All right, I'll be back shortly. Heyo, back. What's poppin'? Hey, Lobo went to 122. Coop, give us something to work with. Lower band on AUUD. Halt down, move to 469. And MACD on Lobo is front side, so let's see if we catch a trade or 2 or 10. $106, 105. It's 105. And 13. VWAP and a daily at about 106. There's 109. Whoa. That was an ugly flush. Is he gonna bear trap? $20 seconds until a new minute. Okay, pushed that quite a while ago. Man, these lags are not fun. Possible halt down on Lobo. Okay. And halted down. That is a shame. AUUD, are you going to give us anything to cheer about here? Over this daily level? So what are we going to do? What are we going to do? What are we going to do? This small little front side didn't last very long. Let's run the scan. CWD. What's CWD? You're halted up for no reason. Interesting. PBM? Nah, nothing really. The problem, if AUD gets above this daily level, then we got this 200 moving average right above it. AUD is a previous runner, isn't it? I had a pretty good candle back in February of 2019. No, it was just February 19th. Lobo I mean, what are the chances that it bear traps after this? I mean, if it does, I think that's kind of the what's going to be highest probability here. The VWAP bounce failed us. Right trade, I think, though. Not mad about it. What's the general market up to? I didn't realize the general market gapped down 3 days ago. That was on increased tariff news, I imagine. Okay. I think it's got to be Lobo. And we got about a minute and a half left for that to come back up. I mean, it's up 36%, which is better than everything else we've got so far. So people are watching it. AUUD, I mean, it's so bad right now. It's just, it's so bad. Lobo Tech TV. AUUD is merger news. Lobo doesn't have any news. Cool. We have 20 seconds. All right. What are you going to do, Lobo? You got to get back above like 107, which is my previous entry point, unfortunately. 3, 2, 1, game time. Fighting with one. There's 101, 102. 103. Well, I was planning on taking a bunch of trades today, but it doesn't look like today's going to be the day. Wow, that's gross. That's gross flash red. 86 cents is halt down, which is right under lower band and that daily level. It's going to happen here, Lobo. PLTU, that's too pricey. Halt down move to 84 cents. You know, these buys are coming in, they're just getting eaten up. New minute. Halt down move to 88 or 82 cents. That's weird. All right. Small green volume, nothing to be too thrilled about, but the candle's moving. A lot of green there, 93. Or no, that's 97. Hidden seller there, 97.98. Correct, the seller. There we go. Nope. New minute. Next time I get out, I'm going to count how many seconds it's taken me. Because I got shafted on the last exit too. I'm going to hit the key and I'm going to put my hands up like this and count. We'll see. I shouldn't even have to put my hands up. It should have already executed before I can even get my hands off the keyboard. But we're going to test it out. AUUD, are you going to curl? You got a 6-cent spread. Yikes. Yikes. See if that bid starts to catch up. Lobo's got a gap to fill down at like 79 cents, so this might not be great. Buyers there at 95 on Lobo. There they are. Let's see if they get eaten or if they hold the line. Nothing moving. Nothing moving. Hey, we got CWD back open now. Not enough volume to see what's going to happen on CWD. 10-cent spread. Come on. Lobo speeding up to the red. AUUD. Are you going to try to curl? Well, I indeed reduced share size like I said I would, at least on this ticker. But I was really looking to take more trades today. What is gonna happen here? Alright, looks like AUUD is making a little U-shaped turnaround. I might get interested if it's over the 200-day moving average. Quick flash of green on Lobo, but very low volume. Fingers are off the keys. AUUD coming up to test that 200. 200, 100. What are you doing over here? Got 770 was your high. You immediately rejected off of VWAP at the open. And now you're trying to curl. And I see you. $5.26 is the 200. 3-cent spread ish. 4-cent spread now. Going red, Lobo. Lobo getting hit. Okay, AUD. Gonna treat this 200 like a VWAP. $5.11. On some turquoise front side. Some green there at $5.29. Ouch. Oh, you gotta be... like, it's comical at this point, right? Like it's comical, right? Holy smokes. What's happening? Look at that spread. It's an 11-cent spread. My goodness. Like, it was comical that I got in and it just immediately flushed, right? Like, it doesn't get much better than that. Oh, the benefits of using small share size, though. I probably would have flipped the table, got a technical after that with regular share size. I'm pretty cool, calm, and collected right now after getting absolutely wrecked on that candle. We're still holding it for this because it got climbed back decently well. The spread's not helping at all. It's like a 3-cent spread, 4-cent spread now. $16.15. We got no green. $13.16. Might have scared some buyers away. That flash down might have scared some buyers away. It's got no action. Look, the tape is dead. The tape is dead. Hey, bid and ask got closer. Nope, and then the bid just drops off. This is not a good stock to be trading right now. Doesn't really matter. It's only like, whatever. But this, then again, if we're trying to build fundamentals, this is also not the hyper scalping strategy, just sitting here and holding this garbage as it climbs back up. But, I mean, look at that. That's a 13-cent spread right now. The bid is not catching up to the ask at all. Not even a little bit. So this green candle is fake news. Unless those bids start climbing back up. There's a fake can. Oh, there's a bid. There's a bid pop up. Come on, bid. Start chasing the ask. Here we go. Get us through 530. Got 525. There's 528. Bid's getting a little closer. Ooh, flash down at 525. Yikes. Okay. That was a fun ride while it lasted. Oops. 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 What are we doing here? Where are my charts at? Alright, Lobo. Lobo, are you gonna bear trap? Or are we gonna call it a day on these trash stocks? Keep the red nice and small. 30 right now. 30 for 30. 30 for 30, no stocks are moving. This was comical though, I will say. That was wild. Welcome to the Red Kingdom. Lobo, give us something. Hey, CWD's up 34% now. That's yuck, though. That is yuck. AUD having no love with that 200-day moving average. I should really have this on this this screen over here. There we go. See if I did that right. Test it with AUD. Yes, sir. Right there. Aw, Lobo, don't do that to us. Don't be doing that. Hey, you got the 200 down here, too. Ain't no way they can stop me now, AT, cause I'm on my way. Oh. Ugh. And this is, oh, CUWD 75% now. This thing is buzzing. Could we? Should we? We could if we wanted to. It's also spready though. Oh, wait. Oh yeah, that's right. VWAP at 395. Halt down 338. What's going on with this stock? Something funky's going on with this. Might take a shot at it. Why not, you know? It's the only thing buzzing right now. Oh, I forgot to count the time on my exit in the last trade. All right. Go. All right. Took that high day break there. Above 472. Got a good fill. Got a good fill at 468. So, actually, I think I was taking those to 1 minute to make a new high over 470 or 467. If that was the case, then I got a really good fill. Good trade. Good trade, good trade. So the automatic sell took half off and took the rest off. So pretty happy with that. Still ending the day red, but very small. Took more trades. The mind was much more calm, even on the red trades. So that's the day. Spread love, be good to each other. I'm out of here. Please drop a comment, drop a like. Let me know how y'all did. Drop some love today. I appreciate y'all. Later.